morning students. As you all know that in assignment number 9 and 10 we had done few questions on the Western Desert, and I have given you textual matter also from that lesson in those assignments. Now let us do assignment number 11, where we will do a sort of revision of that chapter. And let us start with the first set of questions. The first set of questions was tick the correct answer. Now I read out the question. What is the other name given to the Great Indian Desert? Options: Sahara, Thar, Kalahari and Atacama Desert. And the answer is the third desert. Number 2, which of these trees are not found in desert? And the options: babul, kikar, coconut, kejri, and the answer is coconut. Number 3, which of these animals is useful in the desert? Elephant, donkey, horse, camel. As you all know, it is camel. And number 4, which of these crops is cultivated in Rajasthan? And the options were jowar, tea, jute and rubber. It is jowar. And the fifth and the final question from this first set of questions: which of these festivals is celebrated in Rajasthan? It's Gangur, Pongal, Onam and Lohri, and the correct answer is Gangur. Now we will do question number 2. Coming to the next set of questions, fill in the blanks, and the first and options were given to you. And the first one, the dash are small hills of sand found in the desert. Option: sand dunes and sandstorms. It is sand dunes. Number 2, an area in desert where trees grow around a water source is called a lagoon or an oasis. It is an oasis. Number 3, dash canal or tanka is an underground tank to store rainwater. As you all know, it is tanka. Number 4, dash Kalbelia or Kathakali is a folk dance of Rajasthan, and it is Kalbelia. And the fifth one, dash Jodhpur or Jaipur is called the pink city of Rajasthan. It is Jaipur. Now we will go to the next set of questions. It is answer these questions. Now children, in this answer these questions, some questions were already done in the previous assignment. And like the question number 2, why do the villages in the desert region go around oasis? This has been already done, and I have written the answer for assignment number 10. So please refer to it. And the next one was, who are Banjaras? Question number 4. That is also written as definition, so you can refer to it. I will write the other question answers which we have not written in the previous assignments. Students, as I just told you that the next one, the third question, answer these questions. And in this set of questions, the first one, describe the climate of Rajasthan. The climate of Rajasthan is hot and dry throughout the year. There is very little or no rainfall in the desert. In some years they don't have any rainfall. So you can understand what sort of climate will be there. It is very, very hot throughout the day. Even the nights are also hot in summer, and in winters they are little cool. Number 2 question, and just now I told you that why do the villages in the desert region grow around oasis? This answer I have already written in the previous assignment. So please refer to it. Now the third question, why is the Indira Gandhi Canal important for the people of the region? The answer, Indira Gandhi Canal is important for the people of the region because it carries water from the river Satluj to the third desert for irrigation and domestic use. Irrigation, as I have already discussed, it is watering the fields for the farmers for growing their crops. And domestic use means we use water at home for many purposes that you all know, for drinking, for washing our clothes, utensils, for cleaning, for bathing, etc. Now the fourth question also, it has been done already. The question is, who are Banjaras? Already we have written the definition that Banjaras are the people who move from one place to another with their animals for their living, for their food and water. So that answer is already written in the previous assignment. Please refer to it. Now the fifth question, why do houses in Rajasthan have thick walls? The houses of Rajasthan have thick walls to keep the heat out so that the houses remain cool. So it is very hot, you can understand. So they keep the walls very thick so they can absorb the heat and their houses remains cool. Now we come to the last set of questions. Question number 4. Write the name of the continents where these deserts lie. Name of the continent where these deserts lie. And the first one, Sahara Desert. As you all know, Sahara Desert is the largest desert in the world. It is in Africa. Next, Atacama Desert. It is in South America. Number 3, Gibson Desert is in Australia. Mojave is in North America. Arabian is in Asia, Arabian Desert, and Kalahari Desert is in Africa. And you know your third desert is also in Asia. So these are the name of different deserts, and you can see the name of the continent. Sahara is Africa, Atacama South America, Gibson Australia, Mojave North America, Arabian Asia, and Kalahari is Africa. With this we come to an end of assignment number 11. Thank you children.